ma'am. Do you have an appointment with us for today? Hi, yes. I have an appointment with Dr. Collins. I think it's for today at 1 p.m. Okay, may I have your name? My name is Linda Ainsley. Can you spell your last name for me, Mrs. Ainsley? Sure. Ainsley. Okay, got it. Thank you. Mrs. Ainsley, we have you scheduled for 2 p.m. Oh, yes. I forgot I changed my appointment to 2 p.m. because I needed to get my hair done this morning. I wasn't sure I would be finished in time. Your hair looks very pretty. Thank you. It's a new color for me. My natural color is brown, but I wanted to try something different, so I went with this color. That color looks great on you. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay, Mrs. Ainsley, I have you in our system. You can have a seat over there. Since you're early, it will be a bit of a wait before your call to the back. Okay, no problem. Fortunately, I brought a book to read just in case. Thanks. You're welcome, Mrs. Ainsley.